I am stuck in this jail because I didn't pay me debts after giving away that 1 million. It's very sad, I know. I'm still in this endless, disgusting void. I'm getting reduced to a shape. It's goodbye now, I guess.
Hey, Circle.
What do you want? I meant, what do you want?
Don't you think we should, get a new host for this season? Okay.
Smiley face was already enough. Why would we need a different host?
Why do you sound old?
I'm
As
leaving.
you should.
Okay, you're going too far.
Just like your wife.
I'm gonna murder
You already murdered your...
Stop! Guys, guess what? I found him alive!
Are you having a...
I searched far and wide to find the new host, and they're coming!
This isn't ASMR.
Hello.